I'll discuss to you now how to find the R term of the given binomial expansion. You can use actually the Pascal's triangle, pero kung masyado na malaki yung exponent, mahirapan ka na in using the Pascal's triangle. So this formula na makikita nyo dito is just simple, the simplified formula in finding the R term of the given binomial expansion. You have n factorial all over n minus r plus 1 factorial times r minus 1 factorial, x to the power of n minus r plus 1 and y to the power of r minus 1. Kung mapapansin nyo, your n minus r plus 1 here is just similar here, and your r minus 1 is also here. And take note that your n is the given exponent, your r is the term na hinahanap, your x here is the first term, and your y is the second term. For example, we're going to find the fifth term of the given expansion, 2x plus y raised to the power of 7. Hahanapin natin si fifth term. Take note that your n is equal to 7, that's your exponent, and your r is equal to 5, that is your given term na hahanapin natin, fifth term. So we will first simplify para hindi tayo maloka. Uunahin natin ito si n minus r plus 1. Our n again is 7, so that's 7 minus r is 5 plus 1. 7 minus 5 is 2 plus 1. This will give you 3. And also we have our r minus 1. R minus 1, our r again is 5. 5 minus 1, this will give you 4. So we will now ready to substitute this one to our given formula. Our n again is 7, so that's 7 factorial over n minus r plus 1. Our n minus r, computed n minus r plus 1 here is 3 factorial. And our r minus 1 is here, that's 4 factorial. Our x, which is our first term, that's 2x. Our exponent is n minus r plus 1, that's 3. And our second term is y. Its exponent is r minus 1, that is 4. Simplifying this one, your 7 factorial is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 para mas klaro. I'll write it down. Your 3 factorial here is 3 times 2 times 1. Our 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, we will simplify this one. 2x to the power of 3 is 8x cubed. 2 times 2 times 2, x times x times x, and y to the power of 4 is y to the power of 4. We will continue. You know that 4, 3 times 2 times 1 can be just simply cancel this one out. And 3 times 2 times 1 is 6, right? So we can cancel 6 here and 6 here. So meron tayong natirang 7 times 5. And 7 times 5 is equal to 35. And multiplying this one to 8x cubed and y to the power of 4. 85, 35 again, times 8, that's 40, carry 4, 24, 28. So that's 280 x cubed y to the power of 4. So this is now the fifth term of your expanded form, of the expansion 2x plus y raised to the power of 7. Let's have another example. We're going to find the sixth term of x minus 3y raised to the power of 8. Again, our n is equal to 8. That's your exponent. And your r is equal to 6. Yan yung pang sixth term na hinahanap natin. So using again the formula, again, we will first simplify. You have n minus r plus 1. Our n is 8. Our r is 6, so 8 minus 6 plus 1. 8 minus 6 is 2 plus 1, that's 3. And your r minus 1 is 6 minus 1, this is equal to 5. Using the formula, your n is 8, so that's 8 factorial over n minus r plus 1 is 3 factorial. Your r minus 1 is 5 factorial. Your x, which is the first term, is x. Our exponent is n minus r plus 1, which is 3. And our second term is negative 3y. Its exponent is r minus 1, that is 5. Simplifying this one, you have 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial. Pwede hanggang 5 factorial lang tayo because we can cancel this one naman. Okay, so you have again, x to the power of 3 is x cubed. And negative 3y raised to the power of 5 is equal to negative 243y to the power of 5. That's 3 times 3, 9, times 3, 27, times 3, 81, times 3, 243. And since it's odd and it's negative, therefore we have negative. Simplifying further, take note again, the 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, which is equal to 6. So we can cancel this one, 3 factorial with 6. So meron tayong natirang 8 times 7. And 8 times 7 is equal to 56. You have x cubed. Then you have negative 243 raised to the power of 5. Multiplying this one, that will give you, yan, so if you're going to multiply 56 times 243, that will give you 13,608, and it's negative. So you have negative 13,608. You have x cubed, then you have y to the power of 5. So this is now the sixth term of x minus 3y raised to the power of 8. So that's how to find the r term of the given binomial expansion. Just use the simplified formula. So yun lang. Thank you and see you again next time. Moshi moshi.